Wow, look at that. 4 bones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like I get at the barbecue place. Gracie, you got everything set out for supper tonight? I heard we were having something special since it's my birthday weekend. Where you at, Gracie? Oh yeah, she does got something set out. Woo, yeah, she knew what I was craving and what we were gonna pick up. But, you know, with barbecue prices as crazy as they are, and then our barbecue place on this side of the river closed up. Oh, well, hello there, friends and family. I didn't see you come on in. But as always, you're welcome to the little old country kitchen tonight. And yeah, we got something special on the counter for you and me tonight. Something we've been craving a long, long time. So if you like, pull up a chair, grab a cold drink or snack. Well, let me show you what we're going to be cooking up tonight. It's so easy. Hardly any cooking involved. Just heat and eat. Okay? So what do we got here? I've been craving me some ribs, barbecue ribs. And look what we got right here from Brookwood Farms. Real pit cooked, fully cooked, naturally smoked, gluten-free. Baby back ribs. Oh yeah. With sweet Carolina style barbecue sauce. You know, it's got a sweetness, but it's got a little bit of tang. If you know, you know. And I've had these before, and they're simply delicious. You can cook them in the oven or the microwave, because they come in an oven ready tray. And for our sides, we're going to be enjoying from the fine family of Bush their best home style baked beans. And what would barbecue ribs be without some tangy, zesty potato salad? Oh, it wouldn't be the same for me. So we've got some of the Reese's mustard potato salad. Oh yeah, this is what we're going to have. You know, my plans were to pick up a rib plate from our local barbecue. And they're closed on this side of the river, and now we're only down to 1. But the prices were crazy. You know, 3 to 4 bones with 2 sides, 17 to 20 bucks, depending on where you get them. And I'm going to be making these here rib dinners with the Bush's baked beans and Reese's potato salad. There's enough here for 4 for under $5. Yeah, you can't beat that, can you? But let's get to throwing it all together and get cooking on. So we got to get these ribs out of their packaging. Now, let me say this. This is an oven ready tray. Now, you preheat your oven to 350. It says don't go over it. And of course, I'd recommend if you're going to use the tray, whether it's in the oven or the microwave, to wash it first. But we're not using the plastic tray today. I've got a full lined baking sheet right here that we're going to be using. And these are just so easy. Yes, they are. We're just going to cut them open and slide them in that tray. There we have it. You're going to get messy, so just understand. And let that package drain all that wonderful, sweet and tangy Carolina barbecue sauce all over those ribs. Spread it around with your fingers, you might as well, because you're already a mess. Ooh, they look good. Now, I have to wash up. So there you have it. Slid all out on our full line tray. Let me show it to you. Ooh, look at there. Let's see how many bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 bones there. That's plenty enough. You know, for 2 adults, 2 teenagers, or 3 small youngins. Oh yeah. And they are mighty fine. Like I say, all we're going to do is reheat and eat. But now we need to cover them up. Get out a little more foil. And cover them on up. And now they're ready to go in the oven. Let's check the directions. Oh yeah. Heat in oven for 22 minutes or until an internal temperature reaches 165. Well, I already know. They take about 30 to 40 minutes straight out of the fridge to get to where they need to be. So that's what we'll be doing. Okay? Well, like I say, you could have done them in the microwave. Of course, I think you'd have to cut them up. My microwave isn't that big to put that whole slab in it. Chef Mike would balk on that. So let's get them in the oven, okay? So we got our Bush's home-style baked beans in a little pot. And they can be heating up while our ribs heat up. So easy. I mean, no cooking required. One pan is all you got for cleanup. So yeah, y'all, I said, you know, we could have a 4-bone rib plate for under $5. Let me tell you just what that cost me over at Superfoods from Walmart. The ribs for the baby back slab was $10.78. The beans, they were $2.37 a can. I bought 2, but I'm only using 1. I'm figuring 2 servings per can. Then the potato salad, I bought 2 of them, but they were 2 or 4 each. So my whole total was just $19.56 for a rib dinner that'll serve 4. That comes to a per meal price of $4.89. Who knew, right? And I already know. It's going to be delicious. That sweet, tangy Carolina barbecue sauce on those baby back ribs, paired with the baked beans, with the smoky, sweet pork flavor that only Bush's can do. And then, of course, that delicious Reese's, mustard, zesty and tangy potato salad. It's all going to come together and make one fine barbecue dining experience right here in Mr. Tom's Little Old Country Kitchen. So yeah, did you think you could cook up a rib plate for under $5? Let me know in the comments below the video. But hey, only thing I gotta do is get out a plate, some serving utensils, and get ready to plate it up. It don't take long. Well, y'all, they've been in there for about 35 minutes, so they should be ready to eat. Let's get them out of the oven, see what they look like, okay? Ooh, yeah, they're hot. They smelling good. Here we go. Get them out there on the top of the stove. Let's peel that foil on off. See what we got. Oh, look at that steam. Oh yeah, they're ready to go. Ooh, look at those. And the smell is just so fine. Now all we gotta do is cut some bones off, plate them up with some of those Bush's home-style baked beans, and the zesty mustard, potato salad from Reese's. Okay? Wow, look at that. 4 bones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like I get at the barbecue place. Those home-style baked beans with pork. Oh yeah, they got a big chunk of pork right in them from the can. And then this zesty, mustard-based potato salad. Ooh yeah, that's just gonna set it all off. Who knew you could get a barbecue plate like this and this fine for under $5 for only $4.89. Now, all we gotta do is give it a taste test and see how it all came out. It was ever so easy. Ooh yeah, I can't wait. Oh yeah, let's get one of these here. Juicy, I mean, look how juicy that baby back rib is. Let's give it a bite. Oh yeah. Those are yummo. So tender and juicy. And that sauce, if you've never had a sweet and tangy South Carolina or Carolina barbecue sauce, you don't know what you're missing. Pardon me. Well, friends and family, as always, it's running late and I'm starving to death. And I want to eat while it's still hot. So I do want to thank y'all for stopping by here in the little old country kitchen in Mr. Tom's neighborhood. Yeah, this is my birthday meal. I've made it 70 years yesterday. And we didn't have it yesterday because we were a little sad and worried, and we still are, for my furry friend, Spooky, who's up at the animal hospital. And I want to thank y'all for everything you've done and the super thanks on the past 2 videos. Yeah. So, like always, till the kitty crew, you know them all, Spooky, Cleo, Mr. Fluffy, Tag Along, and of course, little princess of the house, Gracie. See you on that next video and episode of Mr. Tom's Neighborhood. Y'all take care. Stay safe out there. May God bless you all as you bless those in your lives. We love you for stopping by and everything you do to make our life better too. But now, with regret, we must say goodbye. Oh yeah, I've been looking forward to this for a while. And only $4.89. Oh, later all.